All right, I'm going to show you how to use this for getting multiple accounts. So if you need to, first thing you're going to do, open up a new Gmail account. And you can go ahead and get as many accounts that are on this. If you have 20 accounts on here, you can get 20 on here. So you do want to make sure you follow this pretty closely because I've had a lot of errors not doing it this way. So make sure first you download your FBAExcel. Keep that pinned up here. Open up in the taskbar. Make sure in your settings, get your system settings. For me on this one, I want to make sure that my screensaver does not go down. And so I think I go system, power and battery. This is different on a Mac. Use this on I don't like using this on my everyday computer. I turn off all of these. Never, 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 never. Okay? You can put the battery to sleep on your own. I'm going to turn it off. I'll do the opposite of my regular computer where I'm going to turn this off in the morning and turn it back on in the afternoon, night. And this is very, very important. So when you go in here, let's get the next one that we want to have. The last one I did was hello. Next one, potluck market, okay? Once we're here, make sure that you're on the campaign manager. Oh, look at that. That may be wrong. I want to be on the bulk file. So here's this. And this one's potluck. And this one we're going to do it like 2 a.m. Let's paste this, which is this link right here from the bulk page. I like to do my 30-day. I like to run this. Do not press guidance, branded assets, or terminate campaigns. Okay. When the terminate campaign is going to add a ton of data. That should be good. One thing you do want to double check, go into your settings over here and make sure that on the downloads, change the file, right? So if you want to put this directly into a specific file for a company or whatever it may be, you can select that. And then I don't ask for that. So what should happen is when I go to bed at night, all these are going to run, but make sure that the timing on these is different. So I do a 30-minute difference in each one of them. So this one right here, I'll switch this one to 1:30. Now, if it's a really, really big file, you may want to give it 45 minutes or an hour because they do take a little bit longer to download. But you can do that, and then you can just go on, move to the next one. Again, take it from here. This one, this one's now going to be 2 a.m. The last one's 1:30. I know the size of these accounts, so that's 30 minutes should be more than sufficient. All right, cool. And that should be good again. Look at it, 30 days, all this. If you look at this, I was putting this on the campaigns. So what I'm going to have to do with these is I was grabbing this from the campaign manager. Make sure that you're on the bulk operations. Okay. So for this one, I'm going to go back. I'm on bulk operations. I'm going to change this one. Capitalist. And I think this one, hello. All right. Now that you get that, keep going with all the accounts. This should work for pretty much as many accounts as you need it to. I've got some that run, 15 accounts, but I do make sure that it's spaced out a little bit. And then what you'll see is all these end up going down to your bulk file at certain times of the night. So let me know if you have any questions.